I'm Jessie Baldwin, Resort Manager at Sun Outdoors Mystic. Thank you so much for booking your stay with us. Let me show you around. This is our guest's favorite amenity, our pool, heated at 85 degrees. We also have a beautiful clubhouse, which has an exercise room and a game room. And then to top it off, you can join us in the evening for s'mores at the community fire pit. We have a lot of fun amenities here. We have miniature golf, pickleball, volleyball, basketball, bocce ball, and a great playground for the kids. Here at our resort, we're pet friendly. Be sure to check out our dog park where all your furry friends can play. Behind me is our pavilion. This is where our community comes together. We do a lot of cookouts, we have a lot of potlucks. This is where our live entertainment is. We do bingo, trivia, and a lot of things for the kids. There's so much to do outside of the resort. You can come to downtown Mystic where there's shopping and dining. We have a casino only 6 miles away. There's also the Seaport Museum, the aquarium, which is great for kids, and we have parks and beaches nearby as well. There's a couple different ways you can stay here with your RV. You can stay short-term or you can stay long-term. Long-term are our seasonal sites. You can stay for the season, you get an upgraded pad, an upgraded fire pit, and you can make it your own. We have all the conveniences of home, such as 3 comfort stations with bathrooms and showers. We have a laundry room, and we have a general store for things that you might have forgotten. Our whole team is here to make sure that you have an unforgettable stay, like Sean, our maintenance technician.
Hi, and if there's anything we can do to make it a pleasant stay here, please come find us.
Download our Sun mobile app where you can book your stay and plan your next adventure. We can't wait to welcome you to Sun Outdoors Mystic, where you can explore your sunnier side. See you soon!